Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you remember last night on the other video on part 2, I was placing these circles in this between that and not really having any difficulty. And you see this grid, that's the first thing I'm going to show you. It keeps snapping on grids. Even though the grid's not there, I guess it's superimposed. We'll just go to Snap to and turn off. He had document grid snap to on, so now if we take a 2-point line, it doesn't snap to a grid. Now, how do you get the center of this item? We have 2 inches, if you remember from the other video. We'll just measure it, parallel dimension tool. Start moving and holding your line down, and now we have 2 inches exactly. So the way to get it in the center, the best way would be to take that item, get rid of that, and change our nudge distance to 1 inch. Take a 2-point line and go from that node, much easier than the grid, to that node, and use your upper arrow key to move your nudge. Then you can take this and it'll snap right to there. Now, depending on where you want this, let's leave it right there. But both of these need to be the same. Let's get rid of our line. So we're going to select that one, hold down the Shift key and select that one, and hit the L key. That moved them both in. Now it depends on what order you do it. Let's select that one first, this one second, and hit L. Then it brought them both to this line. So depending on which one let's have it snap to the center of that dot. So now our dots on both sides of the board run right through the center of that, so they're even with each other. Now he still needs to add those couple extra dots, but that's relatively easy. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.